Here I have OPPO A78 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open phone application, then open dial pad and enter the secret code, which is *#06#, and this code displays your IMEI numbers. And the second method for this operation is just open settings, go to the about device section, then go to the status, and here you can find your IMEI 1 and also IMEI 2. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.